Okay, so today I'm gonna see how the tractor starts. I think inside it said it was 34 degrees. Let's see. It's 32. Yeah. So it's not super cold, but it's cold enough. Try it without preheating it. Okay. Seat's freezing. Let's see. It's just the temperature from last time, so turn it on. What's wrong with the gauges? Oh, great. My gauges are broken again. That happens quite a bit now. I don't know. Well, we'll start it without preheat. See what happens. Sometimes the gauges come on later. But let's see what it takes to start it without preheat. 32 degrees.